Shall we help Rabbit divide his carrots equally?
Hey chicks, good morning. Are you fighting? What's the matter? Why are you fighting?
Good morning, Buzz. Look, we have some grains. We don't know how to divide it equally between the four of us. Our mother helps us divide the grains always. But she has gone to the market. That's why we are fighting. Do you know how to divide the grains equally between the four of us?
Yes, chick, I can help you. But all of you, stop fighting first. Listen to me now. First, tell me how many grains you have in all.
Buzz, we have 63 grains in all. We are four of us. You have to divide it equally between us.
First, let me get my stick to write. I will write 63 like this. Then I will put these lines and write 4 here.
What are these lines? Why do you write 4 here?
We draw these lines like this when we do division. I write 4 here because I have to divide 63 by 4. Let me do it now. 4 fives are 20. So I will write 5 on top and 20 here. Now 63 minus 20 is equal to 43.
Oh, it's like that. Buzz, can I do it now, please? I have to now divide 43 by 4. I will also do 4 into 5 is equal to 20. I will write 5 on top.
Chick, you have to write plus 5 on top.
Oh, okay. So I will write 20 under 43.
4 tens are 40.
That's right. 4 tens are 40. So we will write 10 on top. Then we will write 40 under 63. "63 minus 40 is equal to 23. Now we have to divide 23 by 4. What will you do?
Meenu, we cannot do 4 tens of 40. That's because 23 is a smaller number than 40.
Oh, Chick, you are right. I am happy you can do some math sums.
Meenu, I know. Now we can do 4 fives are 20. I will write plus 5 on top. Then I will write 20 under 23. Now 23 minus 20 is equal to 3.
Now I will add the numbers on top. It is 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. The remainder is 3. Oh, Meenu, the answer is the same. But you did it a little faster.
That's right. The answer is the same. But I just used a bigger number in the multiplication table.
Good morning, everyone. What are you doing?
Chinu, we are doing division. Look, this is what we did. Meenu did the same division like this, in a different method.
That's good. I will tell you one more way to do this division. One more method? Can we do that after we eat our grains? What if the number of grains become less when you divide? Then we won't get 15 grains. So let's finish our grains before you start dividing again.
No, Chick, don't worry. You will get 15 grains each. Chinu is going to divide using a different method. The answer will be the same. It is a better method. Come, let's watch it.
Okay, Can I also do division with you? Good morning, Futta. But no more division. We have to eat our grains now. Do you also know a different method? Not a different method, but a different way of writing the answer.
Oh no! Futta is going to reduce.
Without fighting. 15 each, and you can keep the remaining 3 for your mother.
Meenu!
Who is it? Who is calling me?
Meenu, it's me. I am Ant.
Oh, Ant. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. Meenu, can you please help us also divide our grains? We collect a lot of grains and don't know how to divide them equally between us.
Oh, yes, Ant. I will help you.
Meenu, can we help Ant, please? We also know division now. We have eaten our grains. You play and we can help the ants.
Yes, Meenu, even the chicks and I will help the ants. We know division now.
Okay, that's good. If you have any problem, come to me.
Ant, tell me how many grains you have. You also have to tell me how many ants are there in your family. Then the chicks and I will divide the grains easily between all of you.
Yes, we will divide it equally between all of you.
Okay. We have 848 grains. There are 6 ants in my family. Can you help us divide the grains equally? No problem, Ant. Chinu has taught us an easy method of division. We will divide 848 by 6 using that method. Friends, will you also do it with us? Please write it in your notebook and we will do it together.
Let me write it down using my stick. 848 here, then the lines and 6 here. Chinu said, first we have to look at one number only. So, we will look at 8. Now we have to divide 8 by 6. Chick, what should I write?
Buzz, 6 into 1 is equal to 6. So, write 1 here. Buzz, are you going to write 1 on the top or in the side?
Meenu said both are correct. But I will write it on the side. That's how Chinu did it. Okay, now I will write 6 under 8. I will draw a line now.
Buzz, now you have to remember to draw an arrow from 4. You should not forget to bring it down.
That's right, Chick. Let me draw the arrow first. Now, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. I will write 2 here. Now, I have to bring down 4. So, I will write 4 here.
Oh, it's 24 now. So, we have to divide 24 by 6. Meenu said that we have to think of the tables. So, we have to think of 6 tables.
That's right. I know the 6 tables well. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24.
Buzz, stop! It's 24. 6 fours are 24. So, you have to write 4 here and 24 here.
That's right, Chick. I will write 4 here and 24 here. Now I will draw a line. Oh, there's one more number 8. What do we do now? Chick, do you know what to do?
How will I know, Buzz? We didn't even know to divide our grains before. How will I know this? Why don't you call Meenu and Chinu? They will help us.
Meenu, Chinu, we have a problem. Can you please come?
Don't shout, Buzz. Talk softly. We will come. What's the problem now?
Come with me. I will show you the division we did. We don't know what to do now. It's a big number.
Okay, Buzz, let me see it. You have to divide 848 by 6. You have done it right till now. It's simple. You have to continue the same way. Now, draw an arrow from the last digit 8. Only then you will remember to bring it down.
Meenu is right, Buzz. First, let's do 24 minus 24, which is 0. Now you have to bring this 8 down.
Oh, it's like that. We didn't know what to do.
Now you have to divide 8 by 6.
I know this. 6 ones are 6.
That's right, Buzz. So you write 1 here and 6 here. Now 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. We don't have any more numbers to bring down from the top. So our division is done.
Oh, I can tell the answer now. It is 141 and the remainder is 2. So, each ant will get 141 grains and 2 grains
Will remain. So, when we divide 848 grains between 6 ants, each ant gets 141 grains. Then 2 grains will remain.
Thank you, everybody. Now we are all happy. We can eat our grains without fighting.
Ant, you are so tiny. How do you eat so many grains in a day?
Oh, these are not grains for a day. This is for the whole winter season. We store our food for the winter season.
Oh, you are very hardworking ants. Just like us bees. Look at Rabbit there. He looks so sad.
Oh, yes. Looks like he has a problem. Let's go talk to him.
Good morning, Rabbit. Why are you so sad?
Good morning, everyone. Oh, I don't know what went wrong. I know division very well. Our teacher Monku taught us to divide. But when I divide my carrots, it's not correct. I think the answer is wrong. Look, I have 144 carrots. There are 8 rabbits in my family. So, I divided 144 by 8. I got the answer as 19. So, I started making groups of 19 carrots each.
Oh, yes. You have to make 8 such groups because you are 8 rabbits in your family.
That's right. I have made 7 groups now. But I have only 11 carrots left for the 8th group. But I should have 19. I have less in the last group. I don't know why. That's why I am sad.
Oh, Rabbit, you have to check if you did your division right.
I checked it, Chinu. I think I am right.
Rabbit, we can check if your division is right with the help of multiplication.
With the help of multiplication? How is that possible?
Buzz, division is the opposite of multiplication. So, we can check our answer by multiplying. Rabbit, there are 8 rabbits in your family. Your answer was 19 carrots for each rabbit. So, let us multiply 19 by 8. 19 into 8 equals to 152. So you need 152 carrots if each one of you has to get 19. But then you have only 144 carrots.
Right, Chinu. I have only 144 carrots. I don't have 152 carrots. Oh no! That means my division is wrong.
I will do it for you again, Rabbit. Friends, you can also help Rabbit with the correct division. Please take your notebook and pencil and we will do it together. It is 144 divided by 8. I will write it properly now. I have to look at only one number now.
Oh no, Futta! The first number is 1. We cannot divide 1 by 8. Chinu, how do we do this? You said we have to look at only one number first.
Buzz, you have to look at only one number first. If it is small and if you can't divide it with the number you have to look at the next number also.
Oh, so now we have to look at the first two numbers together. It is 14.
That's right. We have to divide 14 by 8. Let's remember our 8 tables now. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16.
Stop, Futta. 16 is more than 14. So we have to write 1 here.
That's right, Buzz. We have to write 1 here. Then we have to write 8 here. What should you do now?
We have to draw a line and put an arrow under 4. That's how we will remember to bring it down.
That's right. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Now we will bring the 4 down. We will write 4 here. That is 64. Now we have to divide 64 by 8.
I know where 64 comes in the 8 tables. 8 eights are 64. So we have to write 8 here. Then we have to write 64 here. Oh, There is nothing more to bring down from the top. So, our division is finished. Let me do 64 minus 64. It is 0. Meenu, what does this mean?
Buzz, it means that the remainder is 0. 144 carrots can be equally divided among 8 rabbits and there is no remainder. The answer is 18. So each rabbit gets 18 carrots.
Oh, so my division was wrong. I got 19 as the answer. Now I know how to check my answer. I know how to check if I have divided it right. I have to just multiply and check my answer. Now I will make 8 groups. I will keep 18 carrots in each group. Thank you, Meenu. Thank you, Chinu. Now I am happy.
Come, let's go to Papa's field now. We will help him with his work.
Okay, come. Let's go. Papa, what are you doing? Can we help you?
I am pulling out the weeds, children. If you don't have any other work, you can help me.
We like helping you, Papa. What are these, Papa? They look like baby plants.
Yes, Meenu. They are baby plants. I bought them today. I want to plant them in that empty field. There are 350 baby plants. I want to plant them in 8 rows. I want to know how many plants I have to plant in each row. You can help me calculate. You find out the answer and I will tell you if you are right or not.
Yes, Papa, that will be fun. We will all find out the answer together.
Quickly, quickly, Meenu. I've brought a stick to write. Let's do it quickly. I will write it now. Friends, you can also help us find the answer. Please take your notebook and pencil and we will do it together. First, 350. Then I will draw the lines and write 8 here.
Now we have to look at one number first. We can't divide 3 by 8. So we look at the first 2 numbers. It is 35. We have to divide 35 by 8.
Now I will think of 8 tables. I will see where 35 comes in 8 tables. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40.
Futta, stop. 40 is more than 32. So we have to do 8 fours are 32.
That's right, Buzz. Now I will write 4 here and 32 here. Let me draw the line and put an arrow under 0. Now 35 minus 32 is equal to 3. I will now bring down the 0 and write it next to 3. It is now 30.
Now we have to divide 30 by 8. 8 threes are 24. So I will write 3 here and write 24 here.
I know. No more numbers to bring down, so our division is finished. Now I will do 30 minus 24, which is 6. So the answer is 43 and the remainder is 6.
Papa, we did it! You have 350 baby plants. If you want to plant them in 8 rows, you have to plant 43 plants in each row. After that, you will have 6 plants remaining with you. Are we right, Papa?
Yes, children. I am happy you can divide very well. Now run home. Your ma and grandma will be worried.
Okay, Papa. Friends, it was fun to help the chicks and rabbit divide today. Did you also enjoy dividing with us today? Do you like our new method of division?
Let's help Bert divide these numbers. Friends, will you also do it in your notebook? You can use any method that you know. You can check your answer by multiplying also. 368 divided by 4 is equal to 92. "92 into 4 is equal to 368. "952 divided by 7 is equal to 136. 136 into 7 is equal to 952. 2408 divided by 8 is equal to 301. Three hundred and one into 8 is equal to 2408. 4446 divided by 9 is equal to 494. Four hundred and 94 into 9 is equal to 4446. 682 divided by 11 is equal to 62. Sixty-two into 11 is equal to 682. 850 divided by 17 is equal to 50. 50 into 17 is equal to 850. 1845 divided by 15 is equal to 123. One hundred and 23 into 15 is equal to 1845. 2425 divided by 25 is equal to 97. Ninety-seven into 25 is equal to 2425. 900 divided by 10 is equal to 90. Ninety into 10 is equal to 900. 3756 divided by 12 is equal to 313. 313 into 12 is equal to 3756. Let's help Buzz match the following. 500 divided by 10 is equal to 50. 950 divided by 10 is equal to 95. 550 divided by 5 is equal to 110. 63 divided by 9 is equal to 7. 333 divided by 3 is equal to 111. 99 divided by 11 is equal to 9. 400 divided by 4 is equal to 100. 120 divided by 12 is equal to 10. 600 divided by 20 is equal to 30. 440 divided by 11 is equal to 40. Let's help Parrot find out the answers for these sums. Friends, will you do it in your notebook? Salim has 858 eggs. He packs 6 eggs in a box. How many boxes will he need to put all his eggs? $143 boxes, 858 divided by 6. $143. Salim will need 143 boxes to pack all his eggs. November 14 is Children's Day. There are 80 children in a school. The teacher has 322 toffees which she wants to distribute equally among all the children. How many toffees will each child get? Four toffees. 322 divided by 80. Will there be any toffee left after the distribution? Each child will get 4 toffees and 2 toffees will remain after distribution. There are 924 marigold flowers. The florist makes one garland using 42 flowers. How many garlands can he make? "22 garlands." 924 divided by 42. "22. The florist can make 22 garlands. There was a big fair in a village. 408 people want to take a ride in the giant wheel. But the giant wheel can take only 24 people in one trip. How many trips does the giant wheel have to go if all the people have to get a chance? "17 trips." 408 divided by 24. "17. The giant wheel has to take 17 trips. This is a funny elephant. It eats only numbers when it's hungry. Shall we help Parrot feed the elephant with the right numbers? Friends, will you do the sum in your notebook? 78 into 5 is equal to 390. 12 into 12 is equal to 144. 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10. 320 into 15 is equal to 4,800. 945 divided by 5 is equal to 189. 29 into 43 is equal to 1,247. 412 into 7 is equal to 2,884. 696 divided by 12 is equal to 58. 202 into 33 is equal to 6,666. 1,476 divided by 12 is equal to 123. Shall we help Buzz to find the answers? Shyam Lal has 28 dozens of bananas. How many bananas does he have? If he has to distribute it equally to 48 monkeys, how many bananas will each monkey get? Seven bananas. 1 dozen is equal to 12 things. 28 dozens of bananas is equal to 28 into 12. $336 bananas. Shyamlal has 336 bananas. So, 336 divided by 48 is equal to 7 bananas. Each monkey will get 7 bananas. There are 16 classrooms in a school. Each classroom has 39 children. The teacher wants to give 2 laddus to each child. How many laddus does she have to buy? $1,248 laddus. Children in the school. 624 children. 16 into 39 is equal to 624 children. There are 624 children in the school. Each child will get 2 laddus. 624 into 2 is equal to 1248 laddus. The teacher has to buy 1248 laddus. Salma has 53 bunches of flowers. Each bunch has 18 flowers. She wants to distribute it equally among 86 children. How many flowers will each child get? Will Salma have any flower left back with her? "11 flowers and remainder is 8 flowers. Salma has 954 flowers. 53 into 18 is equal to 954. Salma has 954 flowers. So, 954 divided by 86 is equal to 11 flowers and remainder is 8 flowers. So, each child will get 11 flowers. Salma will have 8 flowers left back with her. Will you help Parrot pick up the correct question for these sums? You can find out the answer also if you do it in your notebook. Salim buys 142 kgs of sugar for his sweet shop. He buys sugar at rupees 18 per kilo. How many kilos of sugar are left with him? Or, how much does he pay for 142 kilos of sugar? Or, how much money is left with him? How much does he pay for 142 kilos of sugar? 142 into 18 is equal to 2556. Salim pays rupees 2556 for the sugar. Reema has 384 flowers. She makes garlands with 32 flowers in each of the garland. How many more flowers does Reema need? Or what is the cost of each garland? Or how many garlands does Reema make? How many garlands does Reema make? 384 divided by 32 is equal to 12. Reema makes 12 garlands. There are 546 people watching a circus show sitting equally in 14 rows. How many people are sitting in each row? Or how many people are watching the circus? Or can more people watch the show? How many people are sitting in each row? 546 divided by 14 is equal to 39. 39 people are sitting in each row. Sheila saw soldiers marching in the Republic Day parade. There were 42 rows of soldiers marching. Each row had 50 soldiers. How many more soldiers have to march? Or how many soldiers were there in all? Or were the soldiers marching well? How many soldiers were there in all? 42 into 50 is equal to 2100. There were 2100 soldiers in all. Friends, will you do some fun tricks with me? You have to close your notebooks and do it mentally with me. Let's start now. First, think of any two-digit number up to 50. Have you thought of a number? Now, multiply it with 5. Okay. Now, multiply the answer again with 2. Have you done it? Now, divide the answer by 10. What did you get? Let's do one more. Again, think of any two-digit number up to 50. Multiply it with 4. Again, multiply the answer by 2. Have you done it? Now divide the answer by 8. What did you get? Now look at both the tricks carefully. What did you observe? You can discuss with your friends.